Today, we are diving into the common questions. How much does AutoCAD cost? And can I get AutoCAD for free? If you're not sure what AutoCAD is, check out our other video linked below. Now for the question. How much does AutoCAD cost anyway? Well, as of 2024, Autodesk offers several subscription-based pricing options for AutoCAD that cater to different user needs. Let's break it down. For individuals and businesses, AutoCAD offers 3 subscription plans: a monthly subscription, an annual subscription, and a 3-year subscription paid annually. Now for the other question. Can I get AutoCAD for free? Well, sort of. AutoCAD provides a free 15-day trial, but that may not be enough time to learn the software. At VDCI, we offer 1 year of software access to all of our program students for free. Ask us about our AutoCAD programs today. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Have a question about AutoCAD or other software you want answered? Drop it in the comments. See you next time!